So today we are making a video about pocket knives and how smart you gotta be to use it. So I know I am a kid that is a YouTuber, but I mean, it's worth it. If this is your first video, please subscribe to my channel. Seeing my channel, and even just please try to subscribe if you can. So, pocket knife safety. Open the knife when you need to use it, but close it when you're done with it. You cannot dig with it, you cannot run with it, you cannot do a lot of things with it. It's a very useful tool. You can use it for I'd say you can see it, you can use it for cutting wood or cutting ropes. Did you think your phone glitched out or whatever you're watching on? Oh no, you didn't. It didn't. I just stopped for a second. It is from Ozark Trail. It is a very neat tool, and it has this for popping champagne bottles or whatever. And yeah, that's a bit for the movie, for the little show thing. Voila! Revealed beautifully.